Now we'll understand something about morphogenetic field. Yesterday we were asking, what is this morphogenetic field? So morphogenetic field is also called as knowing field. Hmm? It is the constellation energy field. There is an energy field. We call this as that morphogenetic field. So this field knows. Here we are not using the brain. We are surrendering to the field. And this knowing field will do something such that a resolution happens. Okay? So this field knows. Whenever you are in this field, we need to be really respectful to the field. Right? Now we are going to create this field here. And we need to be very respectful to the field and surrender ourselves to the field. And this is the knowing field. This is the morphogenetic field which is going to create, which is going to do, and everything we do out of in this constellation is out of intuition. No thinking. No thinking. No past. Your intelligence, your rationality is kept outside. Everything what we are going to do is magic. No logic.
Yes.
So turn to the person next to you and say, no logic.
No logic.
Huh?
Yes.
Only magic.
Only magic. Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Everyone are ready?
Yes.
This field informs the facilitator, representatives, client, and those observing the constellation of what may be affecting the consciousness of the client. So we'll take one person and we will resolve that person's issue
Okay.
by allowing ourselves to be in that field. And field will decide. Okay? It's a very sacred work. And it's very, we have to be really 100% wholehearted. And we have to respect that. It is this informing knowledge that guides the constellation along its way toward the best possible outcome that is involved. The field will guide us. I too don't know what may come out. I am also completely open. I am trying to facilitate and I am trying to observe. And at that moment, whatever is coming out, I am trying to be that. Whatever the information I can access, whatever insights I can get, whatever intuition I feel, I am going to do that. Is that fine?
Yes.
In our lives, the knowing field is that all surrounds us at any given moment. It is made up of the people in our life and the situations we are in. We also have this field around us. And this field is always guiding us. Okay? We are within this field all the times. This field is always informing us. This field is always guiding us. In this field, we are capable of sensing others through feelings and bodily states. Here we are not going to use any intelligence. We are going to come into the field and feel others. And we are going to sense them. We are going to let them our bodies energetically. Is it okay with everyone?
Yes.
So energetically we are going to let them our bodies, let those energies in our bodies and feel them, sense them. And experiencing and sensing the qualities of the other people in ourselves, particularly physically. Here we do more with body, not with mind, not with third eye, mostly with body. We come into the field, we start feeling through body. Okay?
Yes.
The image of the morphogenetic field serves as a model for understanding what happens in a constellation. So we are going to create this energy dynamics of the family. We are going to see how the family energy dynamics are happening. And automatically we will see see that, you know, during constellation, no one has to talk. Even it's like, you know, you should not try to disturb the field, whatever is happening. Just stay in the present moment and just feel, just be present. No suggestions, do this, do that.
Right.
No counseling.
Right.
Okay? It's very sacred work and we have to really allow ourselves.
Okay.
Hmm?